Welcome back to my channel, RedXplorerStone. So guys, today we will be doing an unboxing video of my very own Pixel 6 Pro from Google. This is the latest Google smartphone. It was just released last year, October 2020. I got it as a Christmas gift from my love. Thank you so much. I really like it. And I'm very excited, guys. So let's open it. Okay, so if you open it, you will see that wow, it's really good. I got it in black. You get it in 3 colors, but unfortunately the colors was not available yet as my love ordered it, but I like it. That's how it looks. I am using more cell phones editing my videos. That's why my love bought me a cell phone instead of camera. So okay, that's it. How it looks, just brand new. So then we will open this one cover, and that's how it looks. Then we will turn it on. Google. How is it? I'm very excited, guys. This is my first smartphone, or my first really expensive smartphone that I ever have. I'm very excited, guys. I'm really happy to have it. What you got together with the phone is the USB-C connector and cable. And what's that? The manual is also here. Unlike the other smartphone, you get the head for to load. For the cable, you only get this one, only the wires. You don't have the head, so you need to buy the head extra. So that's why I bought it also extra. And you don't have earphones, but it's okay. I have a lot of earphones and the head also. So guys, and it's also necessary because this smartphone is a little bit heavy, and I think it's a bit slidey if you carry it with you, so it's a case so that it will not be so slidey. For that, it's also the Google Pixel 6 Pro case, because you need it, guys, because it's a little bit, it's big, it's really big and heavy. And this is expensive. So I must be careful with that, and that's a gift you can just buy it everywhere because there's value in it. It was given heartily, so that's why I need to take care of it. And this is the case. Okay, it's blue. I think it's pink. I buy pink, but it's blue green or something, or neon, but it's okay. So we will put it here so that it will be safer, because I'm really afraid that it can fall down, you know, even though you are always careful, but sometimes it fall down. So that's the case. And I will suggest, or I will recommend also to you guys, that in every smartphone you need to buy a screen protector, because if you fall down and the screen is damaged, it's not good. And I will recommend that you will buy a Panza glass. What was that? Panza glass, so that if the cell phone or your smartphone fall down, only the Panza glass get damaged, not the screen of your phone. So that's, I bought this one. That is together. I also bought it screen protector for the camera. Yes, and for here, for the camera, I also it's 3-in-1. It has screen protector here at the front and also for the camera at the back. Now guys, then we will connect the cell phone. Actually, by Google, if you have Google and you want all the data from your old phone to your new phone, you just need to connect your phone in it. So I'm trying to connect in it. You need to open the Google app and search for set up my device, and then it is my old phone. I just need to get started in it. So I'm just I just want to show you how it works also, guys. So then verify, and I will also verify it in my old phone. They search a new device, and from my Pixel Pro, they are still searching. So it's a little bit bigger as my old one, but I like smartphones with bigger screen, because I like to make photos and videos, so it's for me better a big screen. But this one, I'm afraid that it will fall down. I think I need to buy a ring for that cell phone ring for a case, because it's a little bit heavy than the other phone. So I'm really excited, guys. Thank you, my love, for sending me this, for giving me such a nice phone. I really like it. And guys, what's good in this phone is that it's 256 storage, so I can make a lot of videos in it, because I am planning that I will make 4K or 4K videos soon. I hope you guys like it. For my Sony camera is also good. It's a compact camera, but you know, cell phones, we are always bring our cell phones or our smartphones with us, so it will be much more easier for us to make suddenly videos or something like that. If you see something nice, camera, I always bring my camera with me, but it's a little bit heavy and I don't carry it anytime, especially if I'm going to work, you know. I just carry it if I am going outside and I know that I will make videos. But the cell phone is always video everywhere, so I think it's a better smartphone than camera. So guys, it's connected. As you see the two, they are now connected. The new one is copying all my data from my old phone to the new phone. So that's the good thing in Google, because you don't need to copy everything by yourself. You just need to log in your account, or just say Google that you will copy all your apps, all your contacts from your old phone to your new phone. He already copied. So then we will say copy. Okay, and it's working. It's copying. Now they are together connected. Guys, the phone is ready now. That's how it looks. So swipe it, swipe. That's how it looks. That is the new Google Pixel 6 Pro, the new smartphone from Google, the latest smartphone. there's a camera in there. The camera. That's it. So thank you, my love, for giving me this wonderful Christmas gift. I really like it. Thank you so much for your effort and everything, and for all your support of making, especially my YouTube videos, is very supportive. Thank you so much. Mwah. That is all for today, guys, and I hope you guys like this video. And please do comments, likes, and share. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and click the notification bell so that you will be notified if I upload a new video. See you guys in my next video, and thank you for watching. Bye.